Hi friends, I hope you all are doing fine. So one of my app has been got the completed of the 20 testers. So today now we will going to fill up the form. So let's see whether we get the form or not. So as you can see, we got the application form here. So we're going to upload here. So apply for the protection. How you are been expecting your friends are. I ask help of my friends for the 20 tester. Okay, how your experience is very difficult, and how do you describe of your during test sets, useless and features of the tester which user custom, the how you like to express the it's so much useful for the users. They say to me the feedback of here. Most of my tester says that I need to update more things in the app. Okay, next, how the interested audience of it's for the users for the job looking, uh, it's used for the job looking users. इसका have you provided value, it it's most of the value is who are the jobless. For them it's give the update of the jobs jobs update only. Oh, you need to fix one. How many you are expecting? 10k to 9k. How do you make your job based on what you learn during the gotcha? uh, I think it's waste of the time for the closer testers, as we wasting our time for the 14 days. How do you decide your app is ready for that? My tester says it's good to go online, as it's have so much info in the app. I know I really wants to blame to the Google, but we can't do anything, as you all are know the Google do as he likes only. So we can't do anything more. So I hope you really like my video. If you really like, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.